Hey guys, it's Miss Daly. Happy Friday. I told you guys I may make a second video. Wasn't 100% sure, but I decided to go ahead and do that. So I am looking at the third page of the notes that I know you guys should have started on Wednesday, but probably didn't start until yesterday, depending on what bell. So this is the one that says unit rates with complex fractions. Okay, I'm going to look at that third problem on here. All right, just because the setup might be a little bit tricky for some. And hopefully it'll help you with questions 1 and 2, and then the single question on the last page. Okay, so my question says Abby reads 1/10 of a novel in a half of an hour. How long will it take her to read one novel? So this is just me and my personal preference. Remember, I underline my key information. So I want to know how, I underlined she read 1/10 of a novel in half an hour. I want to know how long will it take her to read one novel. Okay. So I know I need to get for my unit rate in terms of per one novel. So remember, I'm weird and I always set it up in words first. So I'm going to put it as hours over novel. Okay. Now from here, I can set up my proportion to help me solve my unit rate. Okay. Which, totally fine. Love it. Okay. Remember, my proportion is two fractions or two ratios in fraction form that's equal to each other. From here, once again, remember, I just plug in the information I'm given. So I know that we read in 1/2 of an hour, and I read 1/10 of a novel in that half hour. Okay. And I wanted to know how long, so X hours, it will take to read one novel. Okay. From here, I need to see what am I scaling up by. Okay. So what am I scaling 1/10 by up by to get one? Well, 1/10, I think dimes. And I know there's 10 dimes that make $1. So I'm going to be scaling up by 10. Okay. And remember what I do to the bottom, I must do to the, hopefully you said top. Okay. So I'm going to take 1/2 times 10. Now, in your head, if you can think, oh, hey, that's just blah, half of 10 is this. Totally great. Fine. If not, if you need a little bit of help, that's fine. We're just going to take 1/2 times 10, which remember is the same thing as 10 over 1. So I get 10 over 2. 7th grade, simplify. So 10 over 2 is the same thing as 5. So x equals 5, which means that Abby can read one novel in 5 hours. So 5 hours per one novel. Ooh, that's an ugly looking N. Hold on, I don't like that yet. I don't like that one bit. Not one bit. Okay, there we go. 5 hours per one novel. Okay, this right here is your final answer. Okay, I know my work is kind of all over and I do apologize. I promise it's not like that on my paper. You guys see that? It's pretty. Okay. I'm struggling with the technology. So, that being said, though, hopefully you have made it to the end of this video and you are still watching because I have some news for y'all. I will be back in the classroom, physically, in person, Monday, the 15th. Okay? So, that means that you guys have the rest of the day with the sub, and then you have this weekend, and then you see me Monday. However, a lot of you guys are missing work. You're failing math. Okay? And I get that. Part of it's to blame that I haven't been there. And you guys have probably been taking advantage of the sub and doing whatever you want. I need you guys this weekend to kick butt and turn in missing work. If you don't fully understand it, guess what? most of the assignments, I've literally just made it, hey, did you try? I'm going to look at it and see if you tried. Okay? I'd rather you do that than not turn it in at all. Because if you try and you get something wrong, I can at least give you feedback and help you. Okay? Math Excel. Okay? If you're still not done with it, that's fine. Go back to the assignment, click the assignment name. It'll pop up with like either review and practice or improved score. Click improve score. Okay? That will help you. That will help, as you go through and finish it or reattempt the questions, it'll improve your score. Okay? Just remember, when you turn a screenshot, I need to see the name of the assignment, your score, and the questions. Okay? Those 3 things. Whole reason why, guys, I'm pushing this right now is midterms are next week. I'm putting grades on Tuesday. Okay? I don't want to put in a lot of Fs. Please. Okay? You guys are 10 times better than this. And we'll talk about that when I come back. The expectations for subs and everything. But I need you guys to kick butt this week and get missing work turned in. Make me stay busy grading y'all's work and just be so proud that you guys sat here and you kicked butt. Okay, even if it is last minute. And if you do have an A or a B, great. Make sure you get your ST math puzzles in. Everybody needs to have 96 puzzles to get 100% this week. Okay? That being said, I will see y'all Monday. Have a fabulous weekend. Adios.